Have a good day, guys. Hope you all will fine and doing very awesome. Look here, we started a spike detector, and right now we're waiting for a spike signal, and the index already in yellow zone. It's mean this is a spot area, sorry, a resistance area. And here we go. Now waiting for a spike. The trade is open. I'm waiting for a spike. Stop loss 3 candles, and let's see. Let me post this signal in our VIP in our free group on Telegram. Check the description, you will find the details and also link of our Telegram group and channel. Now the one trade is open and crash 300. Okay boys, waiting for spike. Now as you guys can see, the first candle, waiting for spike. Keep watching the video. Let me play the music, enjoy the music, watch the video till end. Check the description, chat with us, we are here to help you.